What if I told you that something as simple as the way you cook your eggs could impact your health in ways you never imagined? Eggs are often called a superfood, packed with protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, but are you truly getting the full benefit from them? Today, I'm not here to tell you what to eat or avoid. I'm here to reveal the science behind eggs and how cooking them the right way can maximize their nutritional power. Because the truth is, it's not just what you eat, it's how you prepare it that can make all the difference. Eggs have been called nature's perfect food, and for good reason. Just 2 eggs provide 13 grams of high-quality protein, packed with all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but cannot produce on its own. These powerful nutrients support muscle growth, immune function, and even the health of your skin, hair, and nails. But eggs don't stop at protein. They are loaded with iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout your body, and vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. They also contain vitamin D, which strengthens bones and teeth, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Beyond these essential nutrients, eggs are a rare natural source of choline, a vital nutrient that supports brain function, memory, and nervous system health. Choline is especially important for cognitive performance as we age, yet many people don't get enough of it in their diets. Additionally, eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that help maintain eye health and may even prevent age-related vision problems like macular degeneration. What's even more fascinating is how adaptable and easy eggs are to include in your daily meals. Unlike expensive supplements or trendy superfoods, eggs are affordable, accessible, and versatile. Whether scrambled, boiled, poached, or baked, they provide a nutritional powerhouse in every bite. However, not all eggs are created equal. Organic, pasture-raised eggs tend to have higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins, making them the healthiest option. For years, eggs have been misunderstood due to outdated cholesterol concerns. But modern research shows that, for most people, dietary cholesterol has little effect on blood cholesterol levels. When eaten as part of a balanced diet, eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense and beneficial foods you can consume. How you cook your eggs matters more than you might think. While eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, the way you prepare them can either preserve their health benefits or reduce their value. Cooking eggs at lower temperatures for shorter periods helps retain their essential nutrients while minimizing harmful oxidation. Methods like boiling, poaching, or soft scrambling allow you to enjoy the full benefits of eggs without compromising their quality. In contrast, high-heat cooking methods, such as frying at high temperatures or scrambling on high heat for long periods, can cause the cholesterol in eggs to oxidize, forming harmful compounds known as oxysterols. Studies suggest that oxidized cholesterol, rather than dietary cholesterol itself, is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Another common misconception is that raw eggs are the best way to maximize nutrition. However, research shows that the body absorbs only 51% of the protein from raw eggs, compared to 91% when they are cooked. Additionally, raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which binds to biotin, a crucial vitamin for skin, hair, and nails, making it unavailable to the body. Cooking eggs neutralizes avidin, allowing for better biotin absorption and greater overall nutrient availability. Aside from nutritional retention, cooking eggs properly also eliminates harmful bacteria like salmonella, reducing the risk of foodborne illness. The healthiest cooking methods involve minimal added fats and controlled temperatures. Poached and boiled eggs, both hard and soft-boiled, rank as the best choices because they limit cholesterol oxidation while preserving the highest level of vitamins and minerals. So the next time you cook eggs, remember, it's not just what you eat, but how you prepare it that makes the difference. Choose wisely, and your body will thank you for it. For years, many people have believed that eating raw eggs is the best way to get maximum nutrition. You may have even seen athletes and bodybuilders chugging raw eggs in movies, convinced it gives them an edge. But science tells a different story. In reality, eating raw eggs may decrease the amount of protein your body absorbs. Research shows that when eggs are consumed raw, the body only absorbs 51% of their protein, whereas cooking them increases absorption to 91%. That means you're leaving nearly half of the valuable protein behind when you eat them uncooked. Beyond protein, raw eggs also interfere with another crucial nutrient, biotin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, plays a major role in maintaining healthy skin, strong hair, and nails. However, raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which binds to biotin and prevents your body from absorbing it. When eggs are cooked, avidin is neutralized, allowing biotin to be fully available for your body's use. This means that cooked eggs provide more benefits for your hair, skin, and nails than raw eggs ever could. Another significant concern with raw eggs is food safety. Raw eggs can carry salmonella, a harmful bacteria that can lead to serious foodborne illnesses, especially in older adults, children, and those with weakened immune systems. Cooking eggs properly eliminates this risk entirely, making them not only more nutritious but also much safer to eat. So while the idea of eating raw eggs might seem appealing in theory, the science proves otherwise. Cooking your eggs is the best way to unlock their full nutritional power, more protein, better vitamin absorption, and lower risk of illness. The next time you reach for an egg, cook it, and your body will thank you. Not all eggs are created equal, and choosing the right ones can make a big difference in your health. While all eggs provide protein, vitamins, and essential nutrients, the quality of those nutrients depends on how the eggs are produced. Organic and pasture-raised eggs are the healthiest options because they come from hens that roam freely, eat a natural diet, and are not given antibiotics or hormones. Studies show that pasture-raised eggs contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health, as well as more vitamin D, which strengthens bones and the immune system. In contrast, conventional eggs, often labeled as cage-raised or factory-farmed, come from hens kept in tight, confined spaces with limited movement and poor diets. These eggs may contain lower levels of beneficial nutrients and higher levels of unhealthy fats due to the unnatural conditions in which the hens are raised. If you want to maximize the health benefits of your eggs, look for labels like organic, pasture-raised, or omega-3 enriched. These options provide better nutrition while supporting more ethical and sustainable farming practices. The choice is simple: quality matters. The better the egg, the greater the benefits for your body and your health. Have you ever noticed how cooking eggs differently changes their taste and texture? Try experimenting with poached or boiled eggs and see if you feel the difference. What's your go-to way of cooking eggs? Share your thoughts. The way you prepare your food matters more than you think. Small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Tomorrow morning, when you crack an egg, take a moment to think about how you're preparing it. Are you unlocking its full nutritional potential, or are you losing key benefits without even realizing it? The choices we make in the kitchen shape our health in ways we often overlook. Cooking eggs at lower temperatures, choosing healthier preparation methods, and selecting high-quality eggs can make a real difference in how your body absorbs essential nutrients. It's not just about eating eggs, it's about making the most of them. Now, I challenge you, over the next week, pay attention to how you cook your eggs. Try boiling or poaching them instead of frying. Notice how different methods affect their taste, texture, and how you feel after eating them. If you've always believed raw eggs were superior, reconsider what science tells us about protein absorption and biotin availability. Make small changes, and you'll see big benefits. Knowledge is power, but only if you use it. Your health is built on daily choices, and today is the perfect time to start making better ones. So, what will you do differently? Are you ready to give your body the best? The choice is yours. Make it count. Thank you for following us till the end. Don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and subscribe. This supports the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Leave your thoughts or comments below. Feel free to express yourself and stay positive. See you next time.